From the PEP Radio Newsroom, CNN is reporting that Meta is accused of child sexual exploitation. A New Mexico jury is set to decide whether it is culpable. A lawsuit accusing Meta of failing to warn users about the dangers of its platforms and protect children from sexual predators is now in the hands of a New Mexico jury. New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres sued Meta in 2023 for allegedly creating a, quote, breeding ground, end quote, for child predators on Facebook and Instagram, claims that the company denies. If the jury sides with New Mexico, Meta could be on the hook for billions in damages. A later portion of the case is to be presented directly to the judge that could also force Meta to make changes to its platforms. Closing arguments on Monday followed a 6-week trial that included testimony from Meta executives and former employees-turned-whistleblowers. Details from the Attorney General's undercover investigation into child sexual exploitation on Meta's platforms, which led to 3 arrests, were also discussed in the courtroom. The case is part of a wave of legal pressure Meta and other social media platforms are facing over the safety of young users. As jurors in New Mexico State Court begin to deliberate, jurors in Los Angeles are considering a separate case against Meta and YouTube, accusing them of intentionally creating addictive features that harmed a young woman's mental health. Social media giants are also facing hundreds of other cases from individuals, school districts, and state attorneys general, some of which are set to go to trial later this year. The New Mexico jury will decide whether Meta has willfully made false and misleading statements about the safety of its platforms or engaged in unconscionable practices by knowingly designing its platforms to harm young people. As news develops about this story, and we expect that it will, we'll be reporting it. From the PEP Radio Newsroom, I'm David Moore.